Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nisha this side and welcome to another video of decluttering क्योंकि मुझे शर्म भी नहीं आ रही है और मेरा घर साफ भी नहीं हो रहा है. What we are going to do today is we are going to organize and declutter my jewelry and makeup. Why so? Because अपनी दीदी की शादी के टाइम पे मैं बहुत सारा सामान ऐसे इधर उधर करके लेके तो गई थी, बट आई हैव नॉट अनपैक्ड स्टफ. आई थिंक अ लॉट इज हैपनिंग. ऑल्सो आई बॉट अ लॉट ऑफ अदर ज्वेलरीज, सो आई एम नॉट श्योर कि उनको एज इन कैसे रखना है, किधर रखना है. डू आई नीड टू लाइक हैव मोर ऑर्गेनाइजर्स? वील डू दैट एज वेल. एंड कुछ ज्वेलरीज और मेकअप ऐसे हैं जिनको मैं एक्चुअल में यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ. कुछ मैंने फेंक दिए, कुछ वील हैव टू सी इन दिस वीडियो. सो येस, दैट्स व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू टुडे. विश मी लक. So this is what is going on my table right now. This is the box that जो मैं अपनी दीदी की शादी में लेके गई थी. These few other पीसेस जो अलग से रखे हुए थे बैग में, ऑल दीज पीसेस. इसमें मैं अपना बाकी का सामान निकाल के गई थी. द ज्वेलरी दैट आई डिडंट वांट टू कैरी, एंड आई हैव सम रैंडम बैंगल्स एंड आई हैव नो आइडिया वेयर टू कीप देम. These are some bows and stuff that I have for now just kept them in a bag, but we're gonna see. And let's just start with the jewelry first and then we'll move on to makeup. पहले हम ज़रा इससे शुरू करते हैं. This is like a big hair pin, so this can be kept अलग. I'm not gonna wear it anytime soon as such. And I think this has two pieces. So this one is like a kamarband, unused, tag भी नहीं निकला है. This is the hairpin, again unused. We didn't exactly use it as such. This is a matha patti. This is the one that my sister used on her engagement. So apparently इनको ये अभी बहुत जल्दी काम नहीं आने वाले हैं. So मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि जितना भी ट्रेडिशनल ज्वेलरीज हैं, जैसे चूड़ी हो गया, जो रेगुलर काम में आने वाली चीज़ें नहीं हैं, उनको मैं अलग रख देती हूँ. एंड जो रेगुलर काम की चीज़ें हैं मैं उनको अलग रख देती हूँ. Okay, what has happened so far is this box has all my everyday earrings. Then this one has all my everyday necklaces. This box has my everyday rings. And honestly टूटा हुआ है, ये बंद नहीं हो रहा है, but then I'm thinking to just somehow work with it. Then this one again has traditional jewelries. This one is a box of a particular necklace which I'm not gonna touch. Again, traditional jewelry, bangles, and a few more stuff which I'm not gonna wear on a daily basis. And I still have a lot of stuff. These are all daily wear stuff, as in these are all daily wear necklaces, my bracelets, and then few of the earrings here. These are still left, and all these ones are still left. These are that will be put away. These are all event related jewelries. And then I although have a bag, but I don't think it's not really sturdy at all. So I'm thinking to have a bag of all the bows and everything that I would want to keep. So let's try and maybe find something that we may use in order to store all these stuff, and let's see if I can find something on Blinkit. So जैसा मैं इमेजिन कर रही थी वैसा तो कुछ नहीं मिला, but what I have gotten is few storage boxes like these, the ones that I use for my makeup stuff and all. तो ऐसा मुझे मिल गया है, and it's a set of 3 boxes for 364, and I think I'll be able to use it for my makeup stuff also. So I think this is what we can use. I think this should do the job. Okay, so the parcel is here. I'm gonna open it. Let's see. Oh no, they are big. Okay, it's just the way they are stored. Okay, so okay, good, big enough. Okay. First container. Okay, I'm going to keep the rest of the things, like for example my bracelets, rest of the necklaces in here. I have chokers and stuff, which one choker here actually, and I think the other chokers are in this box. Okay. A lot of them. These are all the hair clips that I have, and I love them. So yes, time to arrange them also. This is something super cute. It's a clutcher. So the time to reveal all these stuff are my regular day, like everyday stuff. All of this stuff is like occasional stuff. This one has my everyday earrings. This one has my bracelets and necklaces. This one has all my hair clips, the bangles that I use. This one has all my necklaces again, and this one has all my rings. And then this one is like a full mixture of things, whatever जो भी जहाँ पे आ गया था. So yes, that's the jewelry sorted.